If you're a woman over 40 and you need extra income, but the thought of getting another traditional job makes you want to crawl back into bed, this video is for you. Maybe you're dealing with health problems. Maybe you're taking care of family. Or maybe you're simply exhausted from spending decades working on someone else's schedule. I understand that feeling because I had to completely start over later in life. After my dad passed away, I moved from Tennessee to Indiana. Almost overnight, I went from working 3 jobs to having only one income. I didn't have a big savings account or a perfect backup plan. I just knew I needed to find a way to earn additional money without adding another exhausting outside job. That's when I started learning about ways ordinary people can earn online. Today, I'm sharing 7 beginner-friendly options you can explore from home, even if you're over 40, aren't technically inclined, and don't have a huge social media following. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes, and your results will depend on the time and effort you put into them. But they are real options that can help you begin building additional income. The first option is user-generated content, also called UGC. UGC is content that everyday people create for brands. It might be a short product demonstration, an unboxing, a testimonial style video, or simple footage showing how a product fits into a daily routine. Here's the part most people don't realize. You don't have to be an influencer or have thousands of followers. Brands need relatable people of every age because their customers are not all 22 years old. Women over 40, 50, and beyond purchase skincare, household products, wellness items, technology, pet products, and countless other things. You can apply for opportunities through UGC platforms, contact brands directly, or create a small portfolio showing what you can do. Some jobs require you to appear on camera, but others only need your hands, your voice, or simple product footage. The second option is becoming a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps a business owner complete tasks remotely. This can include answering emails, entering data, organizing files, scheduling appointments, researching information, updating spreadsheets, or creating social media posts. You may have already have valuable skills without realizing it. If you have worked in an office, managed appointments, handled billing, organized paperwork, helped customers, or used email and spreadsheets, you have experience that can transfer into virtual assistant workout. I spent more than 20 years working in medical billing. At first, I didn't realize how many of those skills could be used online. Organization, data entry, communication, accuracy, and meeting deadlines are all services businesses need. You don't have to offer everything. Start with 2 or 3 services you understand and build from there. The third option is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means recommending a product or service and receiving a commission when someone purchases through your unique link. The key is to recommend things you generally use or understand. You might share a household product, an app, a beauty item, a business tool, or a resource that helped solve a problem for you. You can share affiliate content through YouTube videos, a blog, Pinterest, email, or social media. You can even create faceless tutorials and product demonstrations. You do not need to pressure people. The goal is to explain what the product does, who it may help, and why you believe it is useful. The fourth option is creating digital products. A digital product is something you create once and can sell repeatedly without mailing a physical item. This excludes examples include planners, checklists, templates, trackers, ebooks, printable activities, social media calendars, or beginner guides. You can create simple digital products using tools such as Canva. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer. Start by solving one small problem for a specific person. Instead of creating a giant 100-page ebook, you might create a simple... oh, shit. What happened? Must have been too long. Oh, it only lets you do up to 5 minutes. Instead of creating a giant 100-page ebook, you might create a simple checklist that saves someone time or helps them complete a task. Ask yourself, what have people repeatedly asked me to help them with? The answer could become your first digital product. The fifth option is freelance administrative work. This is similar to virtual assistants, but the jobs are often individual projects rather than ongoing positions. A business may need someone to organize receipts, enter information into a spreadsheet, clean up a contact list, research potential customers, proofread documents, or update a projection tracker. Freelance platforms can help you find these projects, but you can also contact small businesses directly. Your first project doesn't need to be huge. A small job can help you earn a review, create a work sample, and build confidence. The sixth option is print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell products such as shirts, mugs, notebooks, or tote bags without keeping inventory in your actual home. You create the design, and a third-party company prints and ships the product after someone orders it. This does require research. You need to understand who you're creating for instead of uploading random sayings and hoping someone finds them. Think about a group you understand well: grandmothers, empty nesters, people from a particular profession, or individuals who share a hobby. Create something that makes that person feel seen. The seventh option is faceless content creation. And yes, that is exactly what you're watching right now. You can create useful YouTube videos without sitting in front of the camera. You can use your voice with screen recordings, photographs, stock footage, text, demonstrations, or simple animations. Choose one topic you know well and answer questions people are already asking. A faceless channel can eventually earn through advertising, affiliate links, digital products, services, and brand partnerships. However, don't simply upload repetitive videos creating entirely by automation. Add your own experiences, explanations, opinions, and helpful information. This is what makes your content original and gives viewers a reason to trust you. If all 7 options sound overwhelming, please don't try them all at once. Choose one. Pick the option that fits your current skills, available time, health, and comfort level. Spend the next 30 days learning and practicing that one method before deciding it doesn't work. Starting over later in life can feel frightening. You may look at younger creators and think you have already fallen too far behind, but your age is not a disadvantage. You have decades of work experience, life lessons, problem-solving skills, and stories that younger people simply haven't had time to develop. You do not need to know everything before you begin. You only need to take the next manageable steps. If you're a woman over 40 who is ready to explore simple, realistic ways to earn from home, subscribe to this channel. And in the comments, tell me which option you want me to explain next: UGC, virtual assistants, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelance work, print on demand, or faceless YouTube. We're going to learn this together, one step at a time.